walk into the office and it's even more fun crap in my room.
Shut up. Shut up. It's not funny, dumbass. Don't do that again.
So,
about half of them here.
Hey, don't throw a punch at you.
You cannot eat. You're such a. Oh. Hey, I'm gonna go.
I hit that.
Oh.
You hit it? Yes, I did.
I almost cursed you out. And I'm so happy I thought about your camera.
Oh my
God.
Mouse.
Oh my god.
Oh my God! What is it?
What the
It's a mouse.
It's fake.
It's not real.
Oh my God.
Oh no, there's a mouse in there. You went in there?
Grandma, he specifically asked you for chips. You gotta know not to open it. If he asks you
And both of us said yes.
be like his dad and just say 2, 4, 6. Oh my god, did you drop that cup? Grandma, it's all over the the rat like jumps forward. Oh god, Grandma, I thought you dropped the grab. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6.
You've heard about me, but a bitch can't get a blood up out of me. I drive a Cadillac where